Alright, what's up everybody? This is another mailbag Friday thing unboxing, but it's not much. So it's probably going to be a really short video, but I got Pro Wrestling Illustrated with Charlotte Flair on it. An interview. Woo! So let's just tear into this thing, huh? Hold up. What's up, motherfuckers? Hopefully I can make more videos soon. Yeah, I can. I got an idea. I got ideas. I need to renew my subscription. Okay. But, yeah. Charlotte Flair, like I said, you open up here. Charlotte and Andrade. Becky, Charlotte, Bayley. Charlotte and Sasha fighting. Then you open up to here. NXT it talks about. Jesus. They got a lot of fucking wrestling subscriptions. But yeah. Comics, all that. My favorite one. Who's this? Fucking MJF. My favorite thing in this whole magazine is Before the Bell. Is it? I think that's the one I think. Let me see. Hold on, guys. No. No, that's not right. Thunder Rosa. No, that's not right. That's not right. My favorite one is... Okay, hold on. I'm dumb here. I don't know what I'm talking about. Hold on. There it is. This is my favorite one. Ringside. That's my favorite article. Tells you all about it. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, turn those notification bells on. See you guys in the next video. Love you.